All right, we're here with Trina from PSSI to learn about the dock and lock systems. So Trina, tell us about these dock and lock systems.
Sure, John. Plug-in storage systems makes a dock and lock cabinet for storing laptop computers. Not only are they stored under lock and key, but they're connected to your network and they're powered in drawer.
So basically it's going to be connected to the network? Why would they want that?
So being connected to the network while they're on allows you to transfer data. So if you have antivirus software you want to transfer, upload, download information, if you had charts that you want to put back to the main system, if you are a manufacturing line and you have all your drawings on your laptops, plug them in overnight, the data is exchanged while you're gone. If you're in a loaner laptop program, the laptops are ready to go at a moment's notice. So because there are a lot of laptops in the world today, this just helps people manage them. It makes the lab tech not have to spend days and days doing their uploads. The cabinet does the uploads for them.
That's really interesting. I mean, because so when it's in the cabinet, it can receive all its updates, basically.
Sure.
It doesn't have to do it.
Let's look at this cabinet. While it's in the cabinet, every drawer is pre-wired with 110 power, like you see here. Every drawer's got network cabling. So you're in drawer, it can be recharging and connected to your network for any kind of data transfer that is applicable to your application. This particular device also comes with a smart technology. We have a keyed cabinet, but this is keyless in that you already get a brain to control it. The IP address is registered to your systems administrator. You'll know when a laptop is in. You'll know when a laptop has been logged out. If, for instance, you're having troubles keeping track of your laptop, this kind of device will help you know that it has been returned and that user is now allowed to leave the building. And if not, give them a friendly reminder to plug it in before he goes home.
So the brain will basically see once the laptop is plugged into the network and power and is in the case.
This brain will tell the system administrator that a laptop is in the drawer and it has been plugged in. And now the administrator can use that data for whatever purpose that they need.
And so can they, I mean, it sounds like there's a log of it, but does it also push data? Like, can you put rules like if it hasn't been there for 24 hours to give you a notification?
You can send a notification if it hasn't been there for 24 hours. If the notification, maybe a user lost their common access card, lost their smart card, lost their RFID reader, and so now you don't want anybody else to get in, then the systems administrator could remotely prevent that drawer from opening.
Oh, really?
All that kind of system, because this is not only is it a manager, but it's a smart cabinet itself.
Interesting. And then, I found it interesting, the back of these cabinets, I hadn't seen cooling in there before. Maybe it's been around for a while, but...
Well, this kind of sets us apart from a lot of our competitors. There is in-drawer charging and there is in-drawer network capabilities. But as we all know, when a laptop's running, it's going to generate heat and it's going to degrade your hard drive unless you have a way to dissipate that heat. So these are automatic thermostatic fans. They turn on once the temperature inside the cabinet reaches 100 degrees Fahrenheit and back off at 80.
So they even save energy. They don't just burn the whole time.
Oh, they're not on all the time. However, if you're an exterior application, these are used also a lot of air bases, say Tinker Air Force Base, and it's outside, so it's 112 in Oklahoma City in the summer. They run the fans all the time,
so they can
they're on all the time, and they don't lose any laptops.
Wow, that's really interesting. Thanks for the information.
Thank you, John.